In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Trello board access. Whether you're collaborating with a team or just want to give someone viewing privileges, I'll walk you through the process step by step, ensuring that you understand each part along the way. Let's begin by heading over to Trello.com. Once you arrive on the homepage, you'll see the familiar interface with options to either log in or sign up if you're new. In this case, click the login button located at the top right corner of the page. For those of you who aren't already signed in, you'll have the option to log in using either your email address or your Google account. Simply choose your preferred method and enter the necessary credentials to continue. After a successful login, you'll be redirected to your Trello workspace. Next, navigate to your Boards section. Here, you should land directly at the boards you've been actively working on or those that have been shared with you. In the Your Workspaces section, identify and click on the board you wish to share. Once you're inside the board, look for the Share button, typically found near the top of the board interface. Clicking on Share will open various options for sharing access to the board. At this point, you'll want to click on Create Link. Doing so generates a unique URL that can be used to invite others. However, before you share this link, it's important to set specific permissions that align with what access you'd like the invitee to have. To adjust these permissions, select Change Permissions. You can toggle between roles such as Member or Observer, ensuring your collaborators have the appropriate level of access. Members can actively make changes to the board, while observers can view the board without the ability to edit it. Now that you've set the desired permissions, click Copy Link to copy the URL to your clipboard. You can then share this link with anyone you wish to invite to the board. Simply paste the link into an email, a message, or any other communication platform you use. Beyond sharing via a link, you can also add people directly by entering their email addresses. Type the email address of the person you wish to invite, and Trello will search its directory for matching users. If the person is already using Trello, their name should populate automatically. Once their name appears, click on it to add them to the invitation list. Again, you'll have the option to adjust their permission level before finalizing the invitation. Once everything looks good, go ahead and click on Share to complete the process. Your collaborators will receive an invitation allowing them to join your board with the specified permissions. And there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive guide to sharing Trello board access. Thanks for watching and happy collaborating.